Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS margins. And right now we'll be discussing about CSS margin for the top, right, left, bottom margins, individual size. Let's set different margin for all the four sides of a P element. And notice here, right here, negative values are allowed. Negative value is allowed here. So I'm going to be showing you how all this works quickly. Let's get started. Back to our document right here. We're having all this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS borders. And right now we are going to be discussing about the CSS margins. Now I will remove all this I've been using in our previous tutorial where we discussed borders. I will just leave only this little thing. One thing I think I can remove also, I can just limit the way this one looks so our document can look neat. Now let's see the way our document is looking like this, right? Now I want to specify top right bottom and the left border so you can be able to see how it works. So top right bottom and the left margin. So let me specify margin property. So I want to use margin top. I want to give it 100 pixels. So margin bottom, no, I will use, let me use margin left, margin right 100. Let me use 70 pixels, or let me give it 120 pixels. Let me use another one which is margin bottom. I'm going to use 180 pixels, and I'm going to use margin left. I'm going to give it 140 pixels. Let's save our document and see how it works. Imagine what we got here. This is so funny, right? It is so funny, right? As you can see, at the top right here, we are having margin of what? Margin of 100. At the right side right here, we are having what? Margin of 120 pixels. And at the bottom, we are having what? Margin of 180 pixels. And at the left side right here, we are having margin of what? Margin of 140 pixels. So that's how you can specify margin in your document. You see our background image right here. The reason why is because we have already fixed it. We fixed our background image to be like it, to be here. That's why it is there. So anytime you want to use element, just practice it so you can be able to understand how it works smoothly. As you can see right here, we have used our margin top, margin right, margin bottom, margin left in this tutorial. Please, I will want you guys to practice this because practice makes perfect. If you don't do it, nobody can do that for you. So, anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time and to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you.